Good afternoon, traders. Joseph here from Eightcap for today's update. So we've seen a bit of an interesting move from the dollar CAD. We'll get to that shortly. We'll just go over some of the key news that came in overnight. So the PPI index came in at 0.3%, beating 0.2% that had been expected. Fed Chair Powell also testified, and today we had speaking from the RBA as well. So we're going to just have a look at some of the key headlines as well that came out. So the trade deal is still a big one that's on the radar. The US and China at the moment are struggling to complete the phase 1 deal that came out of the Financial Times, and trade talks are down to short strokes on the phase 1 of the trade deal. So it's still a big hot topic, and markets are still really looking to see if that's going to be something to get done. Looking forward to tonight. We have Governor Pollitt's speaking from the Bank of Canada. That's at 1:45. Sorry, that was today, 1:45. We'll get to that in a moment. This evening's key news, we have core retail sales and retail sales data coming out in the US. They're looking for 0.1% on retail sales and 0.3% for core retail sales. So just going back to the Bank of Canada, that's part of the movement we're seeing at the moment on the USD CAD. So Canadian wage inflation now above 4% in most measures, and we can see the effect that's had on the dollar CAD in today's Asian session. So we're currently seeing a fall of just over 20 pips, and mainly we've seen risk markets bouncing back after some interesting data that sent them pretty solidly lower, in the Aussie in particular. So the Aussies are trading higher. The euro bounced back overnight, and the pound also had a good session last night. We can just see that now. I was testing that high there. Gold was another that had another good session. It is lower today, but we did get back up to testing that the high 1472s. Today there's been a bit of a move lower from gold, and at the moment we're seeing some positive movements on stocks locally. The ASX 200 is up 0.75%, and that's after a pretty lackluster session overnight on US indexes. And over in Asia at the moment, the Nikkei is having another good day. It's up 174 points, and we're seeing markets in China mixed, with the China A50 is up by 0.16%, but the SZSE component is down at the moment 10.58 points, while the Shanghai composite is pretty flat at the moment, trading 0.95 points higher. The Hang Seng has also bounced back. It's had a very bad week due to the political turmoil that's going on in Hong Kong. It's currently trading 66.81 points higher. So at the moment, risk is basically back on the radar. And a bit of a barometer for that is gold, with its move lower. Traders will be looking to tonight's US retail sales data to get an idea of more ideas about how the US economy is running at the moment. So have a fantastic weekend, and have a great end to your trading week. Thanks, bye.